Today I'm going to present you a really funny product. It's the MDR-XB450 headphones, but not actually made by Sony. I have seen replacement earpads for the original XB450 headphones cost over 500 rupees, that too of brands, but I have got this Replica headphones for under 250 rupees. Some Chinese text is written on the package, but the interesting thing is that they give the address of a seemingly realistic Sony branch on the cover. The MRP is too high for this product, and I'm wondering how did they avoid customs. Maybe this product is made in India itself. While opening the box, we get the XB450 headphones itself. The design is very similar to the genuine one, except that there is no Sony logo or any other printing. These headphones look straight out of a messy factory without any cleaning done. I can see dust and dirt particles all over it, which never happen with genuine sealed Sony products. You can see manufacturing defects all over the headphones. The concentric circle pattern on the headphone looks the same as the genuine one. They even copied the flat and textured nylon feeling cable, which is a good thing as it avoids strangling. There's an inline mic present, so it's the AP variant. The 3.5mm connector is cell-shaped like the original one, but this one is not gold-plated like the original. Funny thing is that there's no screws, only a design of the screws. The earbuds are thinner than the original and has a thicker cloth mesh inside. The headphones feel comfortable to wear, I must say, and there's no left and right printing, so good luck finding which one is the correct side. I have removed the earbuds, and as you can see, it's made of super cheap quality materials. You can actually use the earbuds as a replacement for the genuine headphones. Even the drivers feel very cheap or outsourced from some broken products. The sound quality on this is very poor. Bass is amplified and boomy. Mids sound terrible even with the equalizer, and highs are non-existent. Anyway, that was my quick unboxing and review of the replica of Sony MDR-XB450AP headphones. If you got a decent 30mm drivers from a broken headphones, you can buy this and replace the drivers with them, or to get replacement earbuds for genuine headphones for cheap. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one.